Alright guys, well, we're at Irwindale racetrack. Fred and Becker Lopez and Juice and everyone has never been to a racetrack. They've been here but never for racing, so they're going to check it out. I'm going to try to record some of the reactions. And, yeah, it should be a pretty good time. And later on we'll go check out the pit, so yeah, just a little vlog today. How do you feeling?
Excited.
That shit's broken.
Toyota MR2 submitted. Camaro's some hair, getting ready to go.
Relax, guys. Calm down. You got the red one?
Red one.
Left one. You boosted.
Ready to go. Fifth generation. Lane, taking the win. Just about straight the rear
That's how fast you think your car is, huh?
It is that fast. My shit does that too.
Yeah. Oh man, I want one like that. I don't know what's gotten into this man. What are you gonna go do right now?
Fucking shit myself, probably.
You gonna go get in the pit or what?
We'll see.
We'll
fool.
see.
If my car doesn't freaking
break
right now before we even get in there.
All right, we're here with the man of the hour.
The man of the hour. Fool.
The man. I don't know. I'm not gonna go in there. I'm not gonna go in
You're
there.
You're not?
No, I don't know.
I don't give a fuck.
I'll go in there with you.
Oh, you both can go in the car?
I don't know if we can or can't, but we'll try it.
I'll be in the car by myself, fool.
But
just in case I do shit myself.
This dude's gonna go do a big fat burnout right now.
Hopefully some donuts.
And then he's gonna try to get on Hoonigan.
Yeah, right.
We're gonna interview exclusive on Greasy Thoughts.
Alright guys,
Garage.
on today's episode of Greasy Thoughts Garage, we're here with Alfredo Aguilar and his 1970 Yonka Nova. Any questions, sir?
Why are you swinging it?
You know, I gotta put our name on the map here.
That's right. Well, what's your YouTube channel?
You know, oh damn, Backyard Yonkas.
That's right, baby.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe to the boys.
Subscribe to the boys. We gotta put ourselves on the map.
We're gonna become rich and famous
Hopefully
together.
get some subscribers and not broken parts today.
Exactly. If not, we're gonna be crying on the way home, huh?
Yeah, I will, not you. You'll probably be laughing, but you're gonna be laughing because you got it on video, probably.
You're my boy, and you should do well.
Alright, guys.
If you look bad, I look bad.
I know. Hopefully it's good though. We're best thing is a lot of clouds and no broken parts.
Boom.
That's what we're praying for.
Alright, hey, I'm doing interviews. How do you feel about this?
I'm a little bit nervous.
A little bit nervous?
But I'm gonna be a proud younger brother, you know? I taught him well, so I know he's gonna do well in there. Cue the clip of Bethel doing one entire donuts backwards.
Right?
I can't fool because my shifter sucks right now. I can't even like neutral. What the hell even is that? It's just wires. It's not even a fucking actual shifter.
Show them how you shift it with your two hands.
You gotta go like this. That's
nice.
I think
Alright,
that's
guys.
fucking neutral.
If so, this is how you.
Not to be the safest.
Just remember what the most important thing is: the wah, wah, wah. You gotta hit that fucking rev limiter, baby.
Wah. The floor better be through the pedal at the end of the fucking run.
Huh? You better not have a floor pad.
The fucking pedal better be through the floor. Oh, the fucking SpongeBob toe just sticking out.
If he doesn't do good, this is where the video ends.
Oh yeah. If I don't do good, see you guys next week on the next video. Got all the footage, no video posted this Tuesday.
Alright, well, our boy Fred,
He's got this. He's got this.
He's got this.
For sure, he's got it.
You know,
Of course, we're gonna be nervous.
Honestly, but our boy Frey, has he ever let us down?
Never.
Never. Never. We got, apart from he only has one brake light. But we're not gonna talk about
What
that.
the fuck? How did that happen?
I know.
Only one brake light? Oh, I know. I don't know what's fucked up. I think I have loose grounds or something.
Fred, come here.
What?
I want to see you drag this bumper, baby.
Shut the fuck up, fool. You're gonna give me bad luck. I'm gonna drag it because I'm gonna do a wheelie in that shit, bro. Like that orange Nova.
Fuck, you killed that shit, dude.
That was fucking dope.
When the fuck did you become Ken Black?
That shit was getting hot as fuck, man. Hell yeah.
Dude, my camera.
Look how fucking sweaty I am.
My camera died.
Look. Show the grease.
My camera died.
Yeah. Ooh, where's everybody at? Tell them to come over here. You have my phone? How's it tired?
Damn! Crispy!
All kinds of noises, bro. So scared.
Dude, when the fuck did you become Ken Black? I'm pissed. This died.
Your camera died?
Oh shit.
Radiator. Well, this is
You think you blew it or?
Huh? No, just the cap probably overfilled. That shit was, it was all blurry how you're having poor connection, everyone's talking shit.
Well, Fred's a fucking certified legend now. My camera died halfway, so sorry that I had to switch to my shitty iPhone, but dude, go subscribe to Fred at the Backyard Young Kids. Bangers every single time. This is fucking sick. It's decided. I was tossing up between a 3100 and a Nova, but
After seeing what just happened,
it's time to buy a Nova, you know? Unbelievable. Fantastic. What would you say the word of the night is?
I don't know.
Bangers? Oh man. Alright guys, well, we're gonna go in and out. We'll do a live creation of Wapapa. and we'll call it a night.